Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to file a complaint on eBay. So let's open our eBay application and then go to my eBay section that is located at the bottom side of your screen. And here you should see in this shopping section you should see purchases. Here you need to find the item you have an issue with and simply tap on it to open order details. Scroll down and you should see button Help with Order, and then you need to provide the issue that best describes your problem. For example, it could be item not received or item not as described. So it depends on your problem. Then follow the prompts to provide details about your complaint, and if the issue, for example, isn't resolved through the provided options, so you don't see from that list your problem, you can request eBay to step in and help you. But if you have any difficulties using application, you can file a complaint through the eBay website and go to Help Center and navigate to the appropriate section for your issue. So that's basically how you can file a complaint on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.